Proton Iriz installed for Convex 10.1 inch Android GPS HD big screen player CL-110AD. This is Android Lite version with 2.5 HD glass capacitance touchscreen. So it's 2.5 glass. Okay, show you. It's got a curve on the side. A full menu. So you have to log in Gmail, Play Store to download app. Go to setting. Turn on your player Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Steering wheel control. Okay, 2 GB RAM. 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. Android version 6.0. Okay, Bluetooth pairing with your phone. Click for the BT music for Bluetooth music. Sharing your phone music to car audio system. Video input and video output. Navigation. Okay, file management. File explorer to manage. Okay, it's got a 2 USB slot. We put in a drawer. You can insert your USB pen drive or USB portable hard disk. Easy connect mirror link. Selected phone model. So show you for the radio. So you can choose any frequency you want. So FM3. Okay, then save it. Volume. Okay, Android player, you have to clear apps. Okay, long press to change wallpaper. So 10.1 inch is fixed outside panel frame for Proton Iriz or Proton Persona 2017. Same dashboard. So screen will fix outside panel. Okay, this sample is for 10.1 inch. Okay, we'll block some of your aircon, but you can choose for the 9 inch. 9 inch, that means is until here. Okay, will block your aircon as well, but just less. 10.1 inch will block I think 1 finger. Okay, so this is 10.1 inch Convex CL-110AD Android Lite 10.1 inch big screen GPS player. OEM socket plug and play and fixed by 1 piece. Thank you.